I need to watch this film right now. Yeah. Dick, Linda, Christian, all on this tape, so. And here's a table site of Independence Day. I was born on the 43rd week of 1996. Directed by Robert Zemeckis, who directs Directed by Ron Emmerich, starring Will Smith, Bill Pullman, Jeff Goldblum, and Margaret Collin. Theatrical preview. The following preview has your following Shush Motion Picture Association America.
There are at least 1,500 active volcanoes in the world that we know about. And at least one that we don't. Welcome to Los Angeles. Have a nice day.
Coming 1997 to a theater.
You thought we wiped them out. You thought the world was safe. You thought wrong. Independence Day, coming soon to PlayStation, Sega Saturn, and Windows 95 CD-ROM from Fox Interactive. Don't choke, the world's counting on you.
Yeah. Following films and modified to original versions, but format fit this screen.